Okay, welcome to week 3. This week we start the bus trip. That's our book. I read this book in probably a weekend. You're to read the first 6 chapters of the book. You're going to fill out the discussion board, and it's real simple. You will choose one question from each Chapter. If you've never coached, you can take it from a business sense if you're a business major. Understanding that we are looking at multifaceted. So if you're not going to become a coach, and there are some people that in here will not become a coach, this is still a leadership book. I like the book because it was taken from a player's perspective, which is something when you are a coach, once you take yourself out of the equation, you take it from a player's perspective, you can then make better decisions as a coach. So you're going to choose one from each chapter. Please follow the guidelines. Okay. The answers must be thorough. Again, everything needs to be thorough. You put it right here in the discussion board. Then you're going to do a discussion board on perform a goal. That's due on Friday of week 3 at 11:59. Respond to 2 classmates by 11:59 on Sunday. Second discussion board, you're going to do perform a Google search on the exact words positives and negatives of coaching. Now you may have to split it up and put positives of coaching and negatives of coaching. I don't know. I liked both, but if you want to just do one and then the other, that's fine. And the real big thing is you need to have the following headings: positives, negatives, summary, and references. So if you use something, you have to reference it. Okay? Positives, outline and discuss, telling me what it means to you, the positives that you found. The negatives, do the same thing with the negatives. Heading 3, summary. You see how they're bolded? In this section, please, the positive and negative as it relates to your experience as a coach, or what positive in your future coaching career. Okay? Remember, if you're a business major, coaching is still a major portion of your leadership abilities. So if you're a business major and you're not really going to coach athletes, you're still going to hopefully become a leader in your business, and you're going to be coaching employees. So this is no different. Life coaching and coaching as a profession with athletes is the same exact thing. You do the same exact things. You have to have listening skills. You have to have intuitive skills. You have to have all these skills that are valuable to what you're doing. Okay? Word count must be above 500 words for the entire thing. You have 5 posts, which means your first post is yours. You have 4 posts after that. This initial response is due by Wednesday of this week, and everything else is due Sunday. Now, the last one is this is an assignment to examining your strengths. No less than a 2-page paper. Okay. Introduce your top 5 strengths. Okay. Explain if you believe or disbelieve these results. Okay. Second one, put the name of your first. Here it is. Put the name of your first strength in your own words. Define the strength using the definitions from the VIA website. You should have that. Do you believe this is a strength you possess? Why or why not? What does the strength mean to your life? And then you're just going to repeat it for the 4. Okay. Summary. Summarize the 5 strengths. Do you believe? And here are the questions. Do you believe the top 5 strengths represent you, or was there another on the list that you thought was more higher into your top 5? How does this survey shape your future career? So anytime you see questions, make sure that you're answering those exactly as they are. So like all of this right here are questions that must be answered. These must be answered. So when I do my grading, I'm going through, did you do this? Did you do this? And then did you do this? Did you do this? This assignment is due Sunday of week 2. And then you go back, you go back into the lessons, and then you upload it right here. Assignment 2, examining your strengths. And that's it for this week. Good luck. If you have any questions, please text first, call second, and email third. Thank you. Have a great day.